Is AI already reshaping hospitals and emergency rooms?
Technology is not only changing science and business, it is already shaping systems that touch our daily lives. When designed the right way, it can make those systems faster, fairer, and more accessible. In hospitals, machines are being trained to spot what the human eye might miss. In 2020, researchers from Google Health and the UK's National Health Service tested AI on thousands of mammograms. The system caught early signs of breast cancer more often than doctors, giving women a chance to start treatment sooner and live longer. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the same kind of tools were used to scan millions of chemicals in hours, pointing scientists toward drugs that might work. What once took years was done in weeks. Imagine walking into an emergency room with chest pain. Instead of waiting days for test results, your scan is read in minutes. The problem is caught early, and treatment begins the same day. That is the promise when the technology is used well.
How is AI reshaping social services, housing, and travel?
Caseworkers can use the same tools to see which families are in the most urgent need of food, housing, or mental health care. The paperwork that once slowed down relief can be cut to minutes, so help reaches people faster. Housing officials are turning to predictive systems to study rental markets. These programs can flag unfair pricing or show where shortages are likely to happen before a crisis begins. In some cities, affordable housing applications are processed more quickly, so families are not left waiting for months. Travel is another area being reshaped. Smart systems manage flights, adjust traffic lights, and direct ride-sharing apps. Commuters benefit when delays are predicted, and buses or trains are routed more efficiently. Even in the courts, there is potential. Programs are being tested to reduce human error in record-keeping, to speed up background checks and process cases more quickly. If handled responsibly, this could mean fewer people stuck in jail simply because of a slow system.
What about elections? Are they safe from AI?
Let's talk. Voting rolls can be checked for errors. Ballots can be counted more quickly, and debates translated into many languages, so more people can follow the issues. When used carefully, the same systems that brings bias can also strengthen democracy. For businesses, the impact is clear. Small shops use automated tools to connect with customers, manage money, and compete with larger companies. Tasks that once required staff around the clock, like answering questions or scheduling, are now handled instantly.
Is education changing?
Today, AI tutors can adapt lessons to each student's needs. Language apps let people learn at their own pace anywhere in the world. In communities with fewer teachers, technology fills the gap and gives more children a chance to study.
So how does AI affect our daily lives?
From maps that guide us across town, to translation apps that let strangers communicate, to weather models that help farmers grow food, intelligent systems are woven into routines without us even noticing. Families rely on assistants to stay organized, and workers save hours by automating simple tasks. When used responsibly, this technology can heal, teach, connect, and protect. It can make life easier in ways that once seemed impossible. But the same systems that promise progress also carry the weight of history. And when bias slips in, the good can quickly turn into the bad.
What is the bad? Can AI block opportunity?
That's a wrap, history seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.